Okay guys, so we have to go. 1 second, we're coming. So basically, what? Anyways, we're going hiking and we just got ready. We just ate breakfast and everything. So these are our outfits. Elena, come on, hurry up. Do you have your shoes on? No. Elena! So this is our OOTD. So I'm wearing this jacket and this Hollister shirt. Oh, there's Teresa in the back. And this Hollister, wait, I'm not wearing a Hollister shirt. I'm wearing a Patagonia shirt. I forgot what I was wearing. Mom. And I'm wearing these pants with no holes in them and these sneakers. And then this is my hair. Okay, now Elena, show your outfit.
Okay, I got this shirt from H&M. These shorts are from
The
Target.
shorts are so cute. She's gonna be cold though.
I have fake Air Forces that I'm gonna wear.
But they'll be painted in a parking garage. Anyways, that's it, guys. So, okay, guys, me and Elena are eating candy canes, blue sweet tart ones, and
My list of debates.
I like my lips.
Although I don't know, we have to make sure the first
look at
one is
IT.
fine, 'cause we'll be old, won't be able to walk up
Elena's
the
30.
steps.
So now I'm gonna have to drink some water.
Yeah.
We are about to do some therapy. I'm gonna be so strong to do it. You ready? Are we actually gonna do it? Okay, 1, 2. Your turn. That was rejuvenating.
Okay, I'll do it.
No, you can do it by yourself this time.
No, I'll do it with you.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. You deserve that. You deserve doing it by yourself.
Oh, that actually felt really good. That was very therapeutic. Sometimes you need that. Sometimes you don't need that.
Anyways. Guys, so we're hiking and where's Elena? Oh, she's behind me. So we're hiking and there was a sign that said there have been deaths occurred from people falling. And our mom was like, well, if Elena falls, she better die because I don't have life insurance on her. Just enough for a casket. I was like, what? Like, if she falls, she better die? Oh, look at the little rocks. Look at the rocks. Anyway, so yeah. I'm going to push Elena off the cliff and that's about it.
Okay, guys.
So, me and Elena are currently on the bottom of this mountain. I forgot what it's called. Basically, we climbed from there all the way down to here. And now we're looking for a pebble to take home so that we don't buy a rock on a keychain at the store for $8. Here's the inside of a tree. Oh, wow. And then, yeah, it's really pretty here. Elena, smile. Smile. Can you feel the love tonight? We literally walked to the top of it.
I didn't think he was going to do it.
Elena, what just happened? What just happened?
A couple just got engaged, right?
They just got engaged underneath this pretty waterfall.
What?
Like, and they just got engaged. Like, that is so sweet. Okay guys, so basically, Elena and I got home from hiking. It was so much fun. I'll insert those clips probably like first, so I don't know why I'm telling you them. And it was so much fun, and then we got home and chilled in our bed for like 30 minutes, and then we got in the hot tub after I yelled at her because like we had to go in the hot tub. And then we just took our showers, and then we are going to go to like these 2 giant alpine slides. One of them has goats, and the other one like goes to the top of the mountain. But anyways, guys, my eyelashes look so pretty.
It's your turn, Z.
Yeah, so that's our plan. Elena's over there.
Oh, yeah, that's what you're wearing shorts on?
She's right there. And this is what the view looks like.
Oh, that's right.
Wow.
Cute instead of your hand
But yeah, we're so excited. I'll take videos of us going down those because it's so much fun. Okay guys, so Elena and I have an announcement. So
Wait, how is that fair? Dad pays for Andy, but not me. We haven't paid Andy for doing garbage in a long time. I didn't say it.
So
I didn't say it.
well,
if he sees me with my wallet, he's obviously gonna make me pay.
So Elena's nails match her hair and her eyes. And my nails match my eyes and my shirt.
Good for you. Just kidding.
We're going on another freaking this thing. And these ones are literally like $18. And the one down the street is 10. But whatever, I guess. Elena's behind me. Elena. Guys, so I'm on the next one. And we're going up right now. I'm not allowed to record because apparently a lot of people drop their phones up. Guys, I lied. I'm back. So I guess it's not yet, but it's soon that I can't have my phone out. I don't know. Well, how are they gonna tell me what I can and can't do? Like, if I want to lose my phone, I will. Anyways, I don't know where Elena is. She's somewhere behind me. This one apparently is like way longer than the one we did in yesterday's vlog. But yeah, after this one, we're gonna go on a different one. I'll let you guys know how this one was, though. Maybe I'll record it. I don't know yet. My hair is gonna be dry after this. So there's no food in here. I feel bad, but sorry, buddy.
Oh, pull it back. Pull it back. This is so sad.
Sorry, buddy. Maybe we should buy food for it.
Yeah.
We'll see how much it is. So we're at Goats.
Me, goat chow only. We don't know where any goat
Alright, now should I give it to him?
I love goat chow.
Just keep doing it.
Yeah, keep going slow. Oh.
He tried to attack the brown goat. Oh, I like the brown one. Alright guys, I'm about to go. I don't think I'm gonna have my phone out. Guys, so the last one was so much fun. And now I'm on the next one. And I'm already 80 feet in the air. This one is the goats on the roof one. They are so freaking cute. Let me see if I can show you. There's the roof where the goats are. We just fed them goat chowder. I guess they like that. I'm assuming that's the only way they get fed. But anyways, that's gonna be the end of goat talk with Olivia on the trail today. We are still waiting to go up. But yeah, I'm glad I recorded the last one. I'm gonna record this one too because they're so much fun to record. But yeah, when it gets like crazy, I'll start recording again. Bye. Okay guys, so we're on the next one. Gotta grip my phone tight. All right, we are 80 feet up.
Okay, do it. No, do it, down. Blade.
Drop it. Drop it.
I can't.
You can't drop it. Ah!
I dropped it. I dropped it. Look behind you.
One on the left is like so mean. Oh, no. Oh. That one's like, oh.
There's nothing left. Wait.
Oh, what do you say we get going?
Okay.
We'll come back. Mommy would like it here. Might find something. I love this place.
So I just got changed into my pajamas, and Elena's been stuck downstairs playing Scrabble with her grandparents and her family members for a while. I wanted to watch a movie with her, but I don't want to play Scrabble. So we went in the hot tub, and then we went on those coaster rides that I just showed y'all, and then we came home and ate dinner. It was good. We had like pasta and stuff, and then I was like, I'm gonna go chill upstairs. And then I was laying in my bed for a while, and then I was like, I need to pee, so I changed my pajamas. This is my pajama outfit. I'm wearing this shirt from Goodwill. It's like 3X. I'm wearing these boxers. They have lobsters on them, and I have matching ones with Bay. And yeah, guys, so that's gonna be the little vlog for today. I will start it again tomorrow for you guys to see me and Elena's cute outfits, because we have cute outfits planned for Dollywood tomorrow, because we're going to Dollywood. But yeah, guys, that is all.
Oh, I was supposed to.